Hey guys, in this video we'll go over how to get a payment extension with Spectrum. Okay, first you need to actually check if you're eligible for a payment extension because not all Spectrum customers actually qualify for extensions. So to check, you just log into your Spectrum account via the website or My Spectrum app. Then go to the billing section. If you see a promise to pay or payment extension option, you're actually eligible. Okay. After this, you need to go ahead and request a payment extension online. In the billing section, you want to select make a payment or payment arrangement, and then choose promise to pay option if available, and set the new due date within Spectrum's allowed time frame. Confirm the extension and save your confirmation number. And then step 3 would be to actually go ahead and call Spectrum customer service if there is no online option. Okay, so if you don't see a payment extension option online, call Spectrum customer support at 833-267-6094. Explain that you need a payment extension. They may offer a short extension or a split payment option. Just confirm the new due date and any late fees. And then you just go ahead and make your payment before the new due date, right? Pay your bill before the agreed deadline to avoid service interruptions. Just use a credit or debit card, bank transfer, or Spectrum store payment. Really easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.